What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am Brian and I am here with a fun one today. I am really behind on all of the videos that I want to make, but Filip Raboch is having another pre-order for his admin clamshell pouch, and so I thought it would be a good time to actually open up a custom one that I had him build. So I have another video on this channel of this particular admin pouch. It is a Ultra 400 with EPX 200 in blaze orange interior. But after having Arch build me this custom pack in X50 Tropic and UVX 40 Silver, along with a couple of admin pouches and other pouches and accessories as well, I actually had Filip Raboch make me a admin clamshell pouch using the same materials. So X50 X-Pack in Tropic and UVX 40 Silver, along with purple paracord pulls. So it's actually been sitting in a box for a while. I haven't opened it. Figured now is a good time to check this out and really talk about what it means to customize a pack. So let's see, we've got 3 logo patches that I also ordered, and it looks beautiful. It's perfectly shaped, comes in a protective plastic sleeve even though it did not need it. Thank you for your support, Filip Raboch tag, model, admin pouch, date 23/2/2024, made in Prague, Czech Republic. X-Pack, Ultra. So this one was configured on his website, but then I did reach out to him after because he did not have an option to separate kind of the front panel from the rest of it. So I basically said, you know, can you make the face of this in X-Pack X50 Tropic and the rest of it in UVX 40 Silver? And so that's what he did. I opted for the patch panel on the front. It's the same configuration as this Ultra 400 admin pouch, just with different materials. And I kind of want to do the same thing. I forgot to say this at the start, but I really want to put these head to head and only one can win. Similar to what I did with the Unicorn versus the Dragon. They're both fantastic, but only one can win. So which one is going to win here? Let's take a look. Open up the front. Oh, and I also opted, I forgot about this, for a Ultra Grid lime green interior, and it's beautiful. It's basically what I expected as compared to the one that I already had for reference. You can see the paracord pulls are a little bit thicker, probably just the material he had available in the color. Let's crack this open, and again, very familiar. We've got kind of a pocket in the back. We've got ultra stretch material for 2 pockets in the front, different sizes, an area here for some pens, some mesh on the other side. And so, again, identical layout to this. You can see how you can load it out. It's on the smaller side, so don't necessarily have a lot of very large items in here, but some decent organization, some earplugs, a hero clip, Sharpie, battery for a camera, power block, EpiPen for my daughter since we're testing her for various allergies, and a power cable are the types of things you can store in this. Let's put these head to head and take a look. Now, his latest pre-order is actually not for full customization, which is what he did the last round, but without black materials. This one is a blackout pre-order, but the options are kind of pre-selected. One of them is this Ultra 400 and EPX 200 in orange interior. a very classic kind of combination, very familiar in the space. This is a beautiful admin pouch. I have really enjoyed using it. I love the size, but to be able to customize it, to be able to select, you know, the front panel in X50 Tropic, the rest of it in UVX40 Silver, the interior in Ultra Grid Lime Green, and the pulls in purple, just really elevate this to a next level sort of thing. You're not gonna find this particular admin pouch in this style anywhere else. And it fits, it suits basically the custom pack that I had made here to a T. So these two look like they belong together, and that's kind of the fun of the customization. Now, there's different levels to customizing. This pack was really fully customized. I selected everything about this, all of the different design elements. This one, you know, the admin pouch is kind of pre-configured in this layout. All you really have to do is select the materials for the exterior and the interior. And in this case, I picked an additional exterior material and a paracord pull color. Head to head, I'm gonna be honest, this is not actually as easy as you would think, because I love the durability of Ultra 400. It is the most durable material that I've used in terms of taking abuse and having nothing to show for it. I actually took my X50 X-Pack Woodland Camo Alpha Citadel out for my daughter's birthday, and someone moved my pack and they had frosting all over their hands, and they got blue frosting all over my new pack. And I washed it off, and I mean, it did come off, but it still has like this slight kind of faded in darker tone in certain areas. It's not bad. You would never know if you didn't actually know, but I know. And so, you know, X-Pack X50 being a Cordura face is gonna actually stain potentially. Ultra 400, if that had happened, it would have just come right off, and it would have shown no signs that that had ever happened. So this material is fantastic. I do love it. But absolutely, I have to give the nod, I have to give the win to my custom version. Not because the materials are better, they're actually probably not. They're not going to be more durable than the Ultra 400. The EPX 200 Ultra Blaze is just beautiful. Very nice from a contrast perspective to see what you have in here. But this just suits me so much better because of my custom built packs. And so this wins for me, not necessarily for everyone. If I was just kind of off the street, had no ties to these particular materials or any particular preference, I actually would pick this. And this Ultra 400 Orange is on offer in Filip's pre-order, so if this is something you're interested in, I recommend going for it. It is a $230 price point. It's not cheap, but it is built by one person, and you really do get what you pay for. The quality is impeccable, the materials are great. I view it as sort of an EDC indulgence. So that's it for this one, I think. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you at the next one.